Let's start create a new project, and we can see that here the project name is that Angular component demo. Just enter and enter CSS like that, and now creating a project. Just wait, and we can see that here project has been created successfully. You can see that here, and now import this project, open folder like that. And now this project I want to add in my Visual Studio Code, and we can see that here this is project, and I want to add in Visual Studio Code. Just select folder, click here. Now we can see that here Angular component demo, this is project, and open here new terminal like that, and now run this project, and like that ng serve, select and click and press here Y for yes and enter. Project compiled successfully. You can see that here, and just open your browser and just refresh your application, and here we can see that application runs successfully. You can see that here. And now to implement step by step Google Maps in Angular application, let's start. And first one step is that npm install agm/core. This is a package basically used for implementation Angular map API. Just first one install this one, and now we can see that here package added successfully. You can see that here showing here added to package has been successfully installed in this project. And after that installation this package, next step is that import agm core module. Just this one module, copy and open your app.module and just paste here like that, and agm core module, and just import this one like that. Copy this one from here and just paste like that, and now API key. You can see that here this is API key. I have generated this Google Map API key, and you can also generate API key, and I have already created a video, and you can click on above link, click on I button and move to the how to generate API key for Google Maps. How to generate API key for Google Maps, and click on I button, and after that complete this one, inject in app module. And second part is that in your component just set the value, and this is a component. In this component I set here latitude and longitude hardcode value. We can see that here on my component, and after that and paste here these function like that basically, and showing here marks error. You can see that here, and just now, and this is here, and just like a array, and set inside the array latitude and longitude and label and draggable false and true like that, and copy this one and just paste here and below here like that, and after that marker showing error. Just like a marker also cannot find name marker, and marker is an interface, and just we can see that here interface. Copy and have some property longitude and latitude and level and draggable. This is a property of this interface, and copy this one and just paste here your interface like that. And after that this part has been completed and your component level, and now HTML part, and this HTML here copy AGM map, copy this HTML part and app.component.html, and here paste your HTML like that. And after that AGM marker, copy this HTML part and paste after that below this. And next copy this one and AGM marker like that, copy this HTML and just paste below this. And after that copy this HTML part and paste here. And this part HTML has been completed right now. And next step is that copy this CSS and copy CSS, we can see that here, and app.component.css file, and here just paste your CSS after compilation showing these types of error. And now try to resolve this one. First one, Google Map cannot find namespace Google, and just try again. npm install types Angular maps, again try to resolve this one issue. Just installation, this one package has been successfully installed, you can see that here, added to package. And after that run this application right now, and showing here after compilation this application these types of error, no error schema, custom element schema, and after compilation this application. And for resolving this one issue, just paste here schemas, custom element schema and no error schema. And now compile this application, run again like that, and open your browser just, and on-site the browser showing here map. Thank you so much watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe channel and like this video.